Hear that sizzle? That's not steam, it's a dream calling your name. Final year classmates Maruti and Mayur shared one goal: become entrepreneurs, but empty wallets and full of pressure cooked their hopes. One shiny day, while crossing a road, they both saw a chai shop. Looking so stunned, the chaiwala looked at both the boys. Chaiwala filled his kettle first, then said, "Son, no kettle, visuals empty." So Maruti filled his with action. A 3-foot tea cart. He started. Day 1, no customers. Day 3, no. Day 9, no. Day 10, coins trickled in, enough to keep the burner on. Then comes heat. Day after day, flames rose under tin. Consistency built pressure. Aroma drew crowds. Mayur, chasing his dreams, failed again and again. But he poured his heart into a home food app only to taste silence after learning from every failure. Weeks turned to months. Maruti's stall became popular. He failed often, burned tea, no customers some days, and even theft once. But every failure was a lesson. He adopted, improved, and kept moving. Mayur still waited. "It's not the right time," he had said. "I am almost ready." But perfection never comes, does it? One evening, the kettle shrieked loud and clear. Customers queued till midnight. Mayur filmed the frenzy. Steam became signal. When Mayur visited Maruti's cafe, he said, "I had bigger dreams than this, but now I feel like a loser." Maruti smiled and said something that stayed with him forever. "It's better to ride a bicycle than to wait forever for a perfect car that never comes." Then he pivoted. WhatsApp menus, Insta reels, chai codes went viral. But turn the knob too high and dreams burn. A rushed batch overflowed, scaling Maruti's hand. Lesson learned. Control the flame. Protect your health, your tea, your joy. Two friends, one kettle, wisdom. They pooled profits. Opened Mayur Cafe, then a 5-star hotel wing. Today, Maruti and Mayur run a successful chain of cafes together, not because they were perfect, but because they started. When water, heat, and visual align, you don't just pour tea, you pour legacy. Brave your dream, fill it, fuel it, let it sing. Dear friends, the path to greatness begins not with perfection, but with courage. The courage to take one messy, uncertain, imperfect step forward. Imperfect action is better than perfect inaction always. Subscribe for more life-changing drives with Mayur Maruthi YouTube channel.